So right. So now, so some integer you can take here. So the BA is equal to, already using n in the earlier case. That's why I'm putting m here. M into pi. This m into pi. So now B is equal to m pi by A. Now substitute. So these things in the above equation. Now you have our Ez is equal to, so C2 C4. So sine of m pi by A into X. So sine of n pi by B into Y. Okay. So we can say, right, in place of C2 and C4, I input one constant C. So that is C. So sine of m pi by A into X. So sine of n pi by B into Y. So where you can say it's a time varying one. I'm adding here e power. So j omega t minus gamma into Z, where gamma is the propagation constant, wave propagation constant, right? So now, so our equation is, so Ez is equal to C into sine of m pi by A into X, sine of n pi by B into Y, e power j omega t minus gamma Z. So this is our Ez equation. Please note down up to this. 470. $441. $464.
Sir.
Right. Please note down. Done up to this
Yes,
part?
sir.
Is it done? No?
I wrote, sir.
No, please write. So now Ez is equal to, so C sine m pi by A into X, sine n pi by B into Y, e power j omega t minus gamma Z. Please note down, all of you. Okay. So now you can express, so our remaining field components. So what are the field components we have? We have Ex, Ey, Hx, Hy, Ez, and Hz. So in three axes we have, so three electric field components, Ex, Ey, Ez, and three magnetic field components, Hx, Hy, Hz, right? So now here, so already TM mode, we know that in TM mode, Hz is 0. So here, so in TM mode, so Hz is 0. Hz is equal to 0. Okay, so we have only Ez. So now we can express, so our remaining four field components, already this is Ez, so we'll find out. So now remaining four field components, that is Ex, Ey, Hx, Hy, so we can express in terms of Ez and Hz. See, already I saw that one. So Ex, Ey, Hx, Hy, they are in terms of, so Ez and Hz only. Ez and Hz only. I will show you one thing here. Now see, you can try later. Now this is our Ex. What is our Ex? So minus gamma by h square. This is h square, not h2. H square dou Ez by dou x minus j omega mu. This is j omega mu by h square. So dou z by dou y. Okay. So because of TM mode, this is 0. Sz is 0. So that's why. So this component is 0. So because of TM mode, this Sz is 0. So this total component is 0. So we have only this one. So this is minus gamma by h square. It's not h2, h square. So dou Ez by dou x. So already we have the Ez in the above equation. So substitute Ez here. Now derivate with respect to x. Now derivate with respect to x. Now see. So with respect to x means so cos of m pi by a into x, that we can see here. This is sine of m pi by a into x, so that you can write so cos of m pi by a into x and m pi by into m pi by a and sine of n pi by b into y. So e power 0 omega t minus gamma z. This is the x component. So in the same way, so you can write for the ey. Already we know these equations. So and hx, hy. So then you can see, so what are the modes are existing in the our TM mode? What are different types of mode? We have TM00, TM10, TM01. So that we can see TM11. So that I will say later. So you do one thing. So you can substitute and write the equations for so Ex, Ey, Hx, and Hy. Please note down. It's also mu. So now you can write all 5 equations. In that 5 equations, Sz is 0 because of TM mode. So remaining all you can write in terms of Ez. So we have Ex, Ey, Hx, Hy. Now the mode you can write like TMN mode. So the mode you write in like this. So this is suppose so TM. I will explain later why is like this. So T you can write M N. So TMN mode. So this MN are integers. You can write so TM00, TM01, TM10, TM11, TM12, TM21, TM22. So 31, 32, 13. Like that, you can write different combinations. You can write different. This is MN. So TM suffix MN. So you can have different modes of TM modes. So now we can see what is the minimum mode is existing in the TM mode. What is the minimum mode existing in the TM mode? So first I am putting this is so 00, TM00. So TM01, TM10. So existing means so by substituting MN value, we have some electric field components. We have some field components like electric field or magnetic field components. It means there is no field components means there is no wave is propagating here. There is no such mode will existing in the waveguides. That is the meaning of that. Suppose I am putting in place of so MN value. Suppose I am taking so TM00 mode. So suppose TM00 mode. So what is M here? So M is equal to 0, N is equal to 0. You substitute M and 0 in these equations. You substitute M and 0 and N is 0 in the above equations. So there should be an electric and magnetic field. Otherwise, suppose it is 0, that indicates so there is no electric field and magnetic field existing in the so waveguide. So that indicates so there is no wave is propagating in the waveguide. We can say, so there is no such type of mode is existing in the waveguide. Now see, in the first case, if you take TM00, M is 0, N is 0. So we have, so here all are multiplied with some M and N. Here also we have some M N. Here is M is there outside. So here also N is there. Here also M is there. So this M is 0 means the total term is 0. N0 means HX is 0. So here also N0 means EY is 0. So in the same way, EY, EX also 0. That means, so TM00 not existing. So TM00 also, so not existing. And TM10, here also, so we have all components are 0. That indicates this is also not existing. Okay. So TM01, so this is wrong, I think. So TM01 also, so not existing. So, but, so TM11, so we have the all field components. That means the minimum mode which existing in the our TM mode is, so TM11. The minimum mode existing in the, so transverse magnetic mode is, so TM11. TM11. So TM00 not existing, TM01 also not existing, so TM10 also not existing. So that is proved by using these equations. So these are so proved by using these equations. So why? Because for such three cases, there is no field components are existing in the waveguide. So no field components means there is no wave is not propagate in the so waveguide. That means that modes are not existing. So the minimum mode existing in the TM is the so TM11 mode. So TM11 mode, that is a minimum. So remaining also existing. So TM12 is there, TM21 is also there. That is there. But the higher order mode or the minimum mode is the so TM11 mode. Remember this point. But in the case of TE mode, we have TE10 also there, TE01 also there. But in the case of TM mode, so the minimum mode is so TM11 mode. TM11 mode. This is very important. Right? Okay, please note down this. Actually, this is the T0, not 1, this is 0. This 0. So mistakes are there in this book. Okay. Right? So this is the field components in so TM mode. Okay. So next class is the what is the cutoff frequency? What is the formula? I think, is it clear up to this point? So 437?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 64?
Sir.
Right. H8? H8?
Yes, sir.
What is the minimum mode existing in the TM mode? What is the minimum mode? What is the higher order mode we have? TM, are you listening to the class? So TM11 is the minimum mode is existing in the so TM mode. Are babu intunna? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, అని చెప్పవేంది?